Come on. They're meeting us by the lake at midnight.
Wait, who's that?
That's old Pitts McGee.
Why is he called Pitts McGee?
Legend has it, he lives in the woods, and you can smell him coming through the forest, but by then it's too late!
He kills people?
No, he's the groundskeeper and he stinks. Hasn't found a natural deodorant that works.
He should just use Pit Pourri.
What's that?
Natural deo that uses funk lock technology to guarantee odor protection for at least 24 hours.
No, that smell!
This one's coconut, vanilla, and sandalwood.
It's not that.
I have sensitive skin.
There's no aluminum, parabens, or synthetic fragrances, so it's safe for sensitive skin like yours.
I don't have sensitive skin.
You just said you did.
No, I didn't.
I did! Oh, coconut and vanilla, my favesies. Pit Pourri, send Pit odor packing.